Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez have surprise reunion at Kiss of the Spider-Woman premiere. Hello friends, L and Wordly Wise, welcome to my channel. For the latest news update, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez had a surprise reunion at the Kiss of the Spider-Woman premiere in New York City on Monday night. The former couple not only posed for photos on the red carpet together, but Affleck also praised Lopez's performance in the Bill Condon-directed film ahead of the film's screening. When we started Artists Equity, the principal goal was to empower great artists and tell moving stories and create opportunities for these kinds of great stories to be told, and work with the best directors in the world and the best actors and the best material, the Accountant 2 actor, who served as an executive producer on Spider-Woman, said. And in this movie, we did all of that. Affleck continued, "It's an honor to be here. This movie is exquisite. Jennifer, you're incredible. Bill, you did an amazing job. Tanisha, you're phenomenal. Welcome to a lifelong stardom. Enjoy it. There's ups and downs, but here you are. It's really, truly a thrill and honor, and I'm just proud of this movie. Thank you for letting me be part of it," he concluded. Ben Affleck joins Jennifer Lopez at the premiere of #Kiss of the Spider-Woman, calling her performance incredible. Before the screening, pic.twitter.com/yesvic0kbd. The Hollywood Reporter at THR October 7, 2025. Kiss of the Spider-Woman, which hits theaters on October 10, follows Valentin Diego Luna, a political prisoner, who shares a cell with Melina Tanisha, who was convicted of public indecency. An unlikely bond forms between them as Melina recounts a Hollywood musical plot starring Ingrid Luna Lopez. The red carpet reunion came as a surprise as Affleck and Lopez finalized their divorce earlier this year. They initially tied the knot in July 2022, but Lopez filed for divorce in August 2024, with the filing noting the couple had separated more than a year prior. The stars also previously dated in the early 2000s and had gotten engaged then, but they split before making it down the aisle, blaming in part the pressure of the public eye at the time. In March, Affleck reflected on their divorce during an interview for his GQ cover story. "I hope I was clear that really this is somebody I have a lot of respect for," the Air actor said at the time. "And I get wanting to divine or explore the kind of differences in perspective that we have in terms of how a person feels comfortable approaching the line between public and private life. But I really hope that whatever you use doesn't suggest that I have any negativity or judgment or anything regarding that. I have nothing but respect." Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck reunite on the red carpet at the Kiss of the Spider-Woman premiere in NYC.